Welcome to the HVAKR tutorial, part 2, weather. We left off part 1 talking about how your project address is required to gather your weather information. Put in your project address in the general information tab and then head over to weather. You'll see your building location on the map surrounded by the 5 nearest weather stations. To choose your weather data, click on the nearest weather station or whichever station you want and hit select. Once selected, you'll be able to choose your summer and winter design percentages. You'll notice as I choose the design percentages, my summer and winter dry bulb and wet bulb is adjusted. These stations and the weather data comes from ASHRAE's worldwide climatic data. When you look at the stations, you're given a preview of just the summer and winter peak conditions, but HVAKR pulls in a lot more information than what's shown here to accurately calculate loads. For instance, we use the latitude and longitude, as well as the elevation of your project to accurately calculate solar radiation and air density. Okay, all that is done in the weather step, and now we're on to part 3, building envelope.